Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel dear viewers. In front of me iPhone 15 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to restore all data from the local iTunes backup. To do it, we need to have, of course, iTunes with logged in account and latest version of the iTunes. Open it on your PC and use the USB-C cable to connect your iPhone to the PC and click Trust. I have no account, Apple ID account on my device right now. I have no nothing on this device. It's completely after factory reset. So do you want to allow this computer to access information on this iPhone? Of course. Click Continue. Wait a while. Wait a while. Welcome to your new iPhone, and what we need to do right now, as you can see, I have nothing on this device. Okay, and as you can see, there is no account here too. I have just connected to the Wi-Fi and that's it. Restore from, and here you can set up this iPhone like a new iPhone, but here you can click restore from this backup and find here your backup. Your iTunes will automatically detect the backups, and then click continue, restoring the iPhone, and restore in progress. So now you can't do anything on your device, you can do nothing, and just you need to wait right now for full restoring of your iPhone. Okay, that's it. As you can see, the settings for your iPhone have been restored. Please leave your iPhone connected. Okay, now we can disconnect because the message was successfully disappeared from our screen, and now we just need to wait until our device will boot. And cool. Continue. Face ID. Set up later. Creating passcode. I don't want to create passcode. Don't use a passcode. And now the last thing I need to do is to connect my device to the Apple ID. So I need to enter the login. Oh, I need to enter the password. So sorry, because my backup, as you can see, so password is required. So I need to enter the password, not the email. Then I need to click continue. Apple ID verification code. So wait a while. So on the other device, I need to click allow and enter the code. Then we need to wait a second. And cool. Now let's wait a while again. Signing in. Welcome to iPhone. So now we just need to wait several minutes until all applications will be downloaded and installed, and all data from these apps will be recovered. So cool. As you can see, applications are downloading, and as you can see, account was recovered, settings was recovered too. So cool. That's it. We have successfully recovered our iPhone from the iTunes backup. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.